Hey friends, welcome to our Engine 5 horror game series. Today we are expanding our sprinting system by adding crouching. You press the left control to crouch down, making your character short and slower like this with the smooth animation. We are using a timeline for the crouch animation and integrating it perfectly with our sprinting. So you can't sprint while crouched. This actor component technique keep everything organized and reusable for any game. And please join my Patreon and support me. Link in the description. Let's jump into Unreal Engine 5 and add our crouching. Alright, first thing let's add the crouch input. To do it, go to Edit, Project Setting, and Engine, go to Input, and create new action weapon called Crouch, and expand this and search left control, this one, and close this. Now left control is ready to trigger crouching. Now let's put all the crouch logic in our VPC movement to keep everything organized in one blueprint component. So go to blueprint and blueprint component and open our VPC movement. We made this printing system in the previous lesson. If you don't have it, watch that video and make it. And we need a few variable for this lesson. So go to variable and create a new variable called crouch speed. And set it to type float and compile and go to details, default value set to 200 and create another variable called crouch half height and compile again and go to default value and set it to 44 and compile, save. Now open our level 1 sorry, our level 1 character blueprint and go to viewport and you can see this capsule. In the BBC moment, this crouch hold weight variable we use to crouch hold weight sinks the character capsule. The capsule's normal hold weight is 88, so make it 44. 44 makes the character half as tall when crouch. This effect collision, so you can hide under tables or in vents. So I am to default value and compile save and go to BBC mode and also this crouch shape weight variable make it instable editable and also this crouch speed make instance editable. Now in the BBC movement blueprint event graph, right click and add custom it and I need it to start crouch. First stop stamina depletion in case we are sprinting. So this stop sprint and copy this clear time by function name and paste it here and connect this to clear time by function name. Stop the sprint time immediately, preventing stamina drain when switching pro sprint to crouch. We copy it because it's already working perfectly. So go to my blueprint tab under function, drag this set play max volt in graph and connect this here. For the max volt speed, go to variable and drag crouch speed to graph and get and connect it to max volt speed. And click this min stamina and make it a private variable and compile save. Now create our timeline. Go to level 1 character because timeline can't be created in blueprint component, so we'll make it a crouch animation in level 1 character. And go to event graphs, and I will create a new custom event and name it to show run player capsule. And right click and create our timeline. This one, add timeline, and name it to capsule timeline, and double click it, open it, and set length to 0.5 and click this track and add float track and name it to alpha, and right click in the draft and add key to float and add another keyframe and click first tree and set time to 0 and value also 0, and click this keyframe and set it to time 0.5 and set value to 1, and click these two icons and hold shift key and select both keyframe and right click and select this auto. Now click compile, save, and go back to our event craft and connect display to this and go to component and drag our capsule component into draft and drag this and search set sorry, set capsule hull fight, this one, and connect this to timeline update and drag our hull fight and search this one underbloat and connect this alpha to timeline alpha and set a into state and B is crouch hold fate from BBC movement, so drag our BBC movement and drop drag this and search get crouch hold fate, this one, and connect this to B. Now create another custom event and I name it length player capsule, and I am connect this to this timeline yes. Now compile, save, and go to BBC moment and drag our player if variable here and drag this and search pass to level 1 character, this one, and right click here and click this convert to go past, okay. And drag out this and search certain player capsule, this one, and correct like this. Now again create a new custom event called encroach. Now copy our set map walk speed and paste here and connect like this and drag our work speed to variable to draft and get it and connect it to this and drag this and search length player capsule, this one, and connect this to max work speed. And now create another variable called is crouching and set type to boolean and drag this and get set and connect this to this and make is crouching true. And for the encrouch drag our is crouching variable and fix it and connect this. Now compile, save and go back to our level 1 character. Now add the input to toggle crouch in here. Search input crouch, this one on axis event crouch, and drag our BBC movement and search start crouch, this one, and called end crouch. Drag this and search is crouching, this one git, and drag move and drag this and search branch, so, and connect this to this and cross it to end crouch, and false connect to start crouch. Now I compile, save the play, and I move and I click left control. You can see now we are crouching, and I'm clicking again left control, back to normal. Perfect. Now our crouching system is work, but in the crouching mode we press the left shift, we also sprint. This is not good, so we need to fix this. To fix this, I'm going to BBC movement, and I'm going to our start sprint, and I'm like this, and recover is crouching variable in the graph, and get and add another branch here and connect condition as a is crouching, and connect this wire to this false. So do it, hold Ctrl, and you can move this file like this. And for the end crouch, drag this true print and search end crouch, this one, and connect this to this branch. And for the stop sprint, go to stop sprint, this one, and add the branch node, and get our is crouching variable, and drag this and search not boolean, this one, and connect this to this, and I move and I'm sprinting, it's work, and I'm go to crouch mode, press left control, and I move, and I am click left shift button. You can see our player is come back to normal walk mode and sprinting. Right, we got crouching working perfectly with our sprinting system, smooth animation and no bug. Check out more tutorial on my YouTube channel, and subscribe my channel and like this video, and please join my Patreon and support me, link in the description. See you in the next lesson.